Introducing the Attendant controller for the MovingStar MS-101. It features on-off button, joystick controller, speed adjustment buttons, a horn, battery display and controller selector. Here is a quick recap on the different buttons and displays of the Attendant controller. The Attendant controller with the controller and one without. One with the controller and one without. It can be installed to allow for left or right-hand use. Further, the position can easily be adjusted to suit individual preferences. Please keep in mind that the Attendant controller will overwrite the user's joystick. If the Attendant controller is turned on, it isn't possible to turn on the user's joystick. Switching to Attendant controller will automatically turn off the user's joystick.